What are the types of scheduled maintenance? There are two types of preventive scheduled maintenance: fixed PMS and floating PMS. Both methods track assets to determine when they should be inspected, repaired, recalibrated, or replaced. These two types of scheduled maintenance allow facilities to accurately track maintenance triggers, maintain assets, and be more efficient in using maintenance resources. Consequently, assets run better and for a longer amount of time without incurring unnecessary costs or downtime.